I found a video on YouTube where a person from United States, he was claiming that he is making $500 per day by posting a simple video on TikTok. So then I also thought, why should not I try this method and also make money on TikTok? So then I found that TikTok monetization is not even working in my country. So if you are also facing the same issue, then you should to watch this video, because in this video I will be showing you how to solve this issue, how to create account even if the TikTok monetization is not working in your country. Let's get started. So first you need to open any browser which you have. So I have the Chrome browser, and here you will need to search GoLogin.com. With the help of this tool, you will be able to create USA TikTok account from any location. If you are, for example, if you are from India, if you are from Pakistan, Afghanistan, any country where TikTok monetization is not working, so with the help of this tool you will be able to create even multiple account too. For example, if you want to if you have already one account from any location, maybe USA, and then you want to also work on a multiple account, so if you want to run a multiple account on TikTok, your account will be disabled. So with the help of this tool you will be able to create multiple account from different IP addresses. And also guys, you can see you can also create multiple account of LinkedIn, eBay, and Facebook, and Amazon, in all of the tool, and there are a lot of features which you can use it, but in this video specifically we will be talking about TikTok. Okay, so first you will need to download this tool. Here you can see, just click on download GoLogin for Windows. So I have already downloaded. Now here you can see on the screen GoLogin. Okay, so first you will need to download this. After downloading, then just simply click on it and open this. Now we have clean interface here. Okay, before using this program you will need to log in with any Gmail account. So here I have already logged in with my Gmail account here. Okay, after logging with any Gmail account, which are very simple step, then you will need to simply click here add profile. Okay, so just click on add profile. Now here they are asking you from the profile name. So in this case we are creating USA TikTok account, so I will simply click here TikTok USA. Okay, so simply tap TikTok USA. Okay, and then simply you will need to go down. Now here guys, you can see it's mentioned country. Okay, so you will need to simply change this France to United States, because we want to create our account from USA IP address. Okay, now here they have different setting also. If you have your own proxies, you can also use it here. Just put your own proxy. If you want to go without proxy, you can also, but I will recommend you to go with GoLogin proxy, because they are high and they are very powerful. Okay, so TikTok will not detect your IP address. Okay, so simply click here again and select the United States location. Okay, and now also if you want to check your proxy as that are already selected by the United States IP or not, so for that you will need to simply click here check proxies. Okay, just select that. Now you can see it's mentioned USA proxy. Now you will need to simply click here create profile. Okay, after clicking here, now you can see our IP address has been created, which are from United States. Okay, after creating this setting guys, now guys the steps are very simple. You will need to simply click here on this run button. Now you can see the new window will be open. Now here you can see it's mentioned TikTok USA, and guys now you can simply click here on the TikTok. If you want to work on Facebook, Google Ads, anything, okay, just simply click on it and it will start working. So in this case I want to create USA TikTok account, so I will simply click on this TikTok button. Okay, so just simply click on it. Now guys, you can see TikTok has been opened. Now here the first important thing is, first you will need to create your account here. Okay, so to create your account it's very simple. So simply just click here on profile. Okay, after clicking on profile, now guys you can see you will see this type of interface. Okay, now here you will need to simply click here and sign up. Okay, so just click on sign up. Now here you will need to click here use phone or email, so simply click here. Okay, and after that guys you will need to select your date of birth. So I will select my own. Okay, and below here you will need to click here sign up with email. Okay, because in this case we don't have USA contact number, so we will use our email address. Okay, so we'll just simply click here. Okay, and after that guys you will need to use any Gmail account, which for example if I show you my email address, this one, so I didn't create any TikTok account with this Gmail account. Okay, so I will simply click here and I will simply select this Gmail account. Okay, and I will simply open this page again, and I will simply click here. Okay, so select your email address here. Okay, now here you will need to write any password which you want. Okay, so I have already typed the password. Okay, let me change the password. Okay, it's perfect. Now here you will need to click here send code. Okay guys, so simply click here. Okay, now the code will be sent to your Gmail account. Okay, so then you will need to simply go there and copy the code and paste it here. Okay, code has been sent in here. Now simply go and only just copy this code and go back again and simply paste it here. Okay, select next. Now here you will need to write any username which you want. So I will go with kpt. Okay, kpt60. Okay, so I will select this name. Okay, and then I will click here sign up. And now guys, our USC account has been created. Now you can log in this account and your mobile, and you can use it. Yeah, you can use it on your PC. It's up to you. So it's very simple guys, just wait a second until the page has been completed loaded. Okay, now this is our profile guys. Okay, now you can see our profile has been completed. Now here you can change, you can upload your picture. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Okay, now guys, our USC TikTok account has been ready. Now here you can use it. Okay, and that is okay guys, just look at. Now here there are different videos which you can watch it. Okay, so simply just click here on this button, the video will be changed. Now I hope you already know about the process that how you can create USC account. So now you will have all the feature, you will be able to monetize this account, and I hope you already know about the monetization process of on TikTok. 10,000 follower, and also you will need to have 1 lakh viewer in 1 month. Okay, so everything is very simple, just use it and make money on it. Okay, and now let me show you guys another process. Now here you can see this is the USC account. Okay, so if you want to create a new account with any different IP address, for example France, if you want to create another new account on France IP, so simply click here add profile. Okay, after creating the profile, now here you will need to tap TikTok, and then here guys you will need to go down, and here you can see the France has been already selected. Okay, you can see if the France is not selected, you will need to select the country, which country TikTok account you want to create. Okay, so I want to create the France TikTok account, so here you will need to click France, and then simply you will need to create profile. Okay, so simply create here, and your guys you can see your account will be ready here. Okay, so just simply click here on run, and then go and use this and use the pass method which I already show you. Okay, so guys, use this tool and create unlimited TikTok account for yourself. Just open this tool, GoLogin.com, and if you just click here on the price, now here you can see they have different option. Okay, they have different plan. Now here you can see the first one is professional, then business, and then enterprise, and also they have free plan too, which you can use it for 7 days with the 1 Gmail account on the beginning. Okay, and then you will need to buy their version, any version which you want. So here is guys, everything is already mentioned about this tool. I highly recommend you to buy it and see if you like it also. Okay, hey, if you're still watching this video, it's mean you are serious about making money on TikTok, and here is some great news. If you sign up for GoLogin using my special link in the video description, you will get 2 GB of free residential proxy data. That's mean your account stays secure, undetected, and you can manage multiple profiles without any risk. So don't miss out this opportunity. This offer is for everyone who join this application through my link, and I will also provide you the link in the first comment also. So just join this application through my link, and you will get 2 GB free residential proxy. And here you can see guys. So anyway, if you have any kind of issue, please let me know. I will try my best to help you. And if you have any issue related to this program, any question about TikTok, please let me know. I will try my best to help you. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, take care.